Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.